There's already enough on your mind. Coffee with a friend, picking up the dry cleaning, texting the girls. So let BlueLink remind you of your Hyundai car care needs. Take full advantage of the features on myhyundai.com by setting up your preferences. You can quickly check your vehicle's health status, find the nearest Hyundai dealer, and schedule a car care appointment simply by logging on to myhyundai.com. The monthly vehicle health report contains a comprehensive diagnostic evaluation, allowing you to stay on top of your vehicle needs and regular maintenance. Simply set the date you'd like to receive your monthly vehicle health report email. BlueLink Connected Care makes owning a Hyundai worry-free. One of BlueLink's many safety features is that in the event of an emergency, loved ones can be contacted, giving you added peace of mind. Updating your emergency contact is quick and easy. Just select Drivers on myhyundai.com from the right navigation bar and select Add Emergency Contact. With Point of Interest search powered by Google, finding that new Greek-Asian pizza fusion restaurant and sending it directly to your car is not only easy, it's incredibly convenient. Accessing your BlueLink account through myhyundai.com also allows you to remotely lock or unlock, start your car, and set the temperature, all with just a few clicks. Enhanced safety, security, and enjoyment made possible with the power of Hyundai BlueLink. BlueLink. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.